guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here at our Melrose location. I want to take you guys over to our Sunset Collision Center now because I just got word that they received a kind of big project, so we want to go over there and check it out, show you guys what it is and take you along with us, and we'll go through everything over there. Sunset. As you can see, the vehicle behind me is the one of not many Bugatti Chiron. Full carbon, exposed carbon, interior, exterior, even to the minor details like inside the headlight, the dash panel. It's crazy. But I understand the car is here for a full blackout, so all the chrome trim, silver trim will go completely black. Curious to see what it's going to turn out to look like. Pretty sure it's going to be amazing. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and can't wait to show you guys when it's all said and done. What's up guys, it's Jonathan here today. We got a brand new 2022 Ford Bronco. Pretty simple, clean setup, 20-inch Vossen wheels, 35-inch tires, and we also removed the 4 fender flares and 5 door handles that used to be textured, smoothed it out and painted it body color to match. Cactus gray. It's a beautiful truck, so I feel like this was a good build. Client also installed himself the Go Rhino side steps. But yeah, that's pretty much it. 20-inch Vossen wheels, 35-inch tires, cactus gray, cool looking truck, perfect for the LA summertime. Hope you guys enjoy. 2022 Mercedes Benz S580, fully loaded, flowing lines, black on black, super clean, classy, and grown. We did 22-inch AL13 wheels and a polished finish with hidden hardware. We also had it cut so it fits the original Mercedes cap. Painted the reflectors, body color to match, and we lowered the car, not too aggressive, but just low enough where it's easily drivable for every day for the client, and also debadge the emblems in the trunk. So I think it's super clean, classy, and it makes a bold statement. So stay tuned for more.